Catch this, a sudden sneeze. No warning, just a ferocious achoo escaping from you. Quite the mystery, isn't it? But here's the science. First, an irritant tickles your nasal hairs. Could be dust, pepper, or even sunlight. Yes, 1 in 3 people sneeze when they look at the sun. It's called the photic sneeze reflex. Your brain then sends a message to your diaphragm. Hurry, it says, expel this intruder. And so you sneeze at a speed of up to 100 miles per hour. Ever wonder why your eyes close? It's a reflex to protect them from any expelled particles. Remember, sneezing is your body's way of keeping you healthy. So next time you sneeze, give a little nod of thanks to your clever body.